once again. Have a nice entertainment arena overlooking the lake. Putt green on your right side. And then, I mean, look at that. Wow. Imagine just enjoying your nightcap right here and having a fantastic time. So, this is great. And so, again, we're on just under 2 acres. And that is a lot of space to pretty much do whatever you want. I mean, you can have a wedding out here, or you could have entertainment events, corporate events. I mean, whatever you would like to do, you have plenty of space for entertainment purposes. And so I absolutely love that. And you can see the floor to ceiling windows all throughout the home. It's just absolutely magnificent. And you can see we have a nice powder room, beautiful extra large master suite, and I mean you have your own fireplace, you have access to the outdoor pool, and then we're going to come into the master bath. So I mean look at this magnificent master bath. You have your own fireplace, shower area, tub, and then of course you have coffee and everything right back here. And of course, this is her closet. Let's go upstairs. So I see one of 2 staircases, which is really great because you've got multiple exit portions in case if there's an emergency or a fire or anything in the home. Coming into the 2nd floor, we can see the study, also with a fireplace. I mean, wow, this is a 2-floor study, and you have magnificent views of the lake. I love that. Coming back outside, we're gonna bring it around. That's the 3rd story. Wow. Beautiful room. You have a nice room, and you can see that it also has its own fireplace, its own balcony, and what appears to be a nice main bathroom suite. Beautiful closet space. I love it. We have another balcony facing the front of the house, and now we're going to go to the exterior again. We have more bedrooms upstairs. More bedrooms upstairs. Let's go this way. We have his bedroom right here, and another bedroom, powder room, and another entertainment area right here. I mean, this is absolutely glorious. And now we're coming by the main staircase, and you can see we have one bedroom, plenty of storage space, and I mean, this is a great location for a family home. I mean, I would absolutely love it. Go back downstairs. Yes, once again, Murat Mickey showcasing the hottest homes in Houston, Texas. Welcome to Richmond. 5.5 million, all of this, and I can't wait to show you the next house.